How do you adjust kerning on Wix? So kerning is the official term, but letter spacing is what we're going to adjust. So let's take a look at this hello. If I want to adjust the letter spacing on this, I need to get into this text box and get to where I see edit text. So just click on it a couple times to get to there. Now under edit text, if we scroll down a little bit, we'll find a character and line spacing section. If we drop this down, character spacing is essentially the spacing between the letters in your text. So you can adjust the character spacing just like this. And that will adjust the letter spacing between all the letters of your highlighted text. Now, technically, that's called tracking in the graphic design world, but if you want to adjust kerning, which is letter spacing between individual letters, all you need to do is highlight the letter behind the space that you want to adjust. I'll show you what I mean. If I want to adjust the space between these two L's, I can highlight the first L, and it's going to adjust the space to the right of it. So now when I go to character spacing, I can space out between these two letters. And so you can kern between letters to adjust the spacing between individual letters just by highlighting one of the letters and then making your spacing adjustments. So you can actually be very custom with the entire word here. However, I just highlighted it and it added the character spacing back to what I had set up here. But yeah, you can adjust individuals as well. Just make sure you click off of that after you're done with it so you don't apply the spacing to the entire highlighted area. So just highlight the letter that you want the space to come after and make those adjustments there to adjust individual spacing or kern between letters. That's how you can adjust letter spacing and kerning here on Wix.